Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the dash button and how it connects to your laptop, because the method depends on USB versus Bluetooth. Once paired, install a trigger utility, Auto Hotkey on Windows or Better Touch Tool on Mac OS, so the button can send custom actions. Make sure to grant permissions and enable any required developer or accessibility access. Otherwise, the system blocks inputs. This first step gets the hardware recognized and the software ready so you can map the button to a reliable automation. Now you detect the dash button event using the utility's event listener. This tells you the scan code or Bluetooth identifier, which is essential. Then write a concise script. Map that code to a keystroke sequence or a shell command that launches an app or performs a macro. Once written, run the script so the mapping is active and test with simple tasks, open calculator, paste text, or run a script, so you confirm the button reliably triggers the intended actions. To finish, make the mapping persistent. Add the script to startup or create a launch agent so it runs at login. Once done, add debounce delays and basic logging so accidental double presses or missed signals are handled. These prevent flaky behavior. If the button stops responding, check permissions first, then drivers, pairing, and battery level. Those are the most common causes, so you can quickly restore functionality and maintain a reliable single-way dash button control for your laptop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.